नाइस टू मीट। क्या नाम है आपका?
हितेंद्र नाथ।
हितेंद्र नाथ।
आपका?
मेरा नाम थोंगम्बा।
थोंगम्बा।
या
कहाँ से है?
मणिपुर से।
मणिपुर से।
घर जा सकता है ना? हाँ नुंगाइरी। मणिपुरी जानता है आपको? थोड़ा थोड़ा।
रिटायर्ड आर्मी।
ओके पहले मणिपुर में था।
मणिपुरी लोग हमारे साथ था।
अच्छा मणिपुरी लोग आपके साथ था।
रिटायर्ड आर्मी मैन।
नाइस टू मीट यू अंकल। ओके एक घर है वहाँ पे।
इधर
लेट्स सी। Yeah, it's interesting. People are very friendly here. This is a proof. All right.
I'm also retired from Air Force.
Air Force.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So
Air Force.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So he is also retired Air Force. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
जा सकता है अंदर?
This is my house.
Okay. You are building a new house.
New house. Under
Okay.
construction.
Okay, under construction. It's a very big house.
Big house.
Yeah.
But I have only one son. This is.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Kustam Nath.
Kustam Nath.
Yes.
Okay. Which class?
5.
5. Okay. Nice to meet you. Okay, this is his house. Interesting. Okay. Can I go up here?
Yeah.
ऊपर रास्ता है? Let's see. Let's try to climb up.
Slowly,
Can you hold my camera? I will climb up and then get my camera from there. Okay.
Just have a grip there.
Okay.
This is repair actually.
Be careful.
Be careful. It needs repair actually. This needs repair.
Show it from here.
Hold its grip.
It will not fall. It will not fall.
This needs repair.
Okay. Here.
Here again.
Here.
Okay.
Just give me my camera.
Yeah, can you read it? I'm trying to.
This needs repair.
Yes. I'm in.
Yeah.
So why do you build this?
Huh?
क्यों बनाया था ये?
Just.
Just fun.
Just for fun.
Interesting. Oh. You. Oh. अच्छा. Oh. Sorry. A pigeon was just resting and I disturbed. Be careful, man.
This needs repair. Now here no problem.
Okay, here no problem.
Only stairs.
Okay. Here you have some goal, right?
Yes.
All right. Interesting. He is building up a very big house over there, and he have this interesting small house here. Yeah, interesting.
You saw your rabbit? Let's show your rabbit.
Oh, he has rabbit as well.
I think.
Yeah. What is his name?
Sibu.
Sibu. Hi Sibu.
Sibu bhai.
Sibu bhai. की खबर? Good, right? I did not expect this moment, man. Chalo uncle, egg selfie. Egg selfie.
Come here.
Yes. Done.
You know this beans?
Yeah, beans. I will go around.
Okay.
So he is letting me do a tour with of his house. Let's go around.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I need to be careful.
Be careful.
You need to hold the camera again. No, go down and then you need to hold the camera.
Be careful. Slowly. Just
Slowly.
slowly.
Oh my god. I need to be very careful. Hold my camera.
Come on a second. The one that has 2 bamboos, no? Directly come here.
Second one.
Here, it's okay.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Step sideways. It's also okay. Okay.
Yeah, come.
You're right.
It needs repair.
Yeah, it needs repair. But it is interesting.
Interesting.
Our key fell down.
Oh damn it! This sounds Scooty. Scooty. Sorry.
All right. Hello, auntie. Okay, you have ducks as well.
Ducks.
All right. What is this temple? Temple?
This is not temple.
Okay.
This is just store for wood.
Okay, okay. Storage room.
Storage.
He has a storage room over here as well, just beneath the house. All right. And
This is beans.
okay. It's a very big house. When will you कब खत्म करोगे इसको?
It will take approx 2 years.
2 years. Okay. Yeah.
This is
Interesting.
rabbit house.
This is rabbit. Oh my! So many rabbits.
Many rabbits.
Hello.
Yeah, tell them.
This one is a smaller one or what?
Yes.
Okay.
This is baby.
Right. He has some
This house
beans
for
kitchen garden
ducks.
here.
Big ducks were
This
there.
is for the ducks. This is duck's house. All right. Under the beans. This is also duck's house.
Ducks for-
Okay. All right. They have got
bananas.
banana plants here.
Brinjal.
Brinjal and all. This is ginger,
No.
turmeric.
Betel nut.
Oh, betel nut.
Yeah.
Okay, it's small. It will grow very tall
It will
like
be better
like them.
this.
Okay.
It's betel nut.
Huh.
It's a house called tong.
Tong
Especially used in field.
field. Okay, this one
Especially used in paddy field.
paddy field
To
to guard the field.
guard the field.
Okay.
It's a area rhino pond area. Rhino and buffalo, wild buffalo is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wild buffalo and rhino is there. That's
Yeah,
why
that's
they
why.
have to have this kind of
Max of the
house.
paddy field.
Okay.
At night time,
Okay. We will stay and guard the field.
guard the field.
Okay. All right. Your brinjal is very tall. Yeah. Thank you so much for letting me go inside the house and give a tour.
It's okay.
See, the people here are very friendly. And this is good. Okay, okay.
You want to have a cup of tea?
Tea. Okay, you can have tea.
5 minutes.
Yeah, we are going to have some tea as well. I can also change my battery. 39% is enough. Okay, good. All right.
This one is called gamusa. Okay.
Oh.
It's called
This one
Akhal.
is a traditional cloth. This is one of our traditional clothes.
Okay,
No, no,
Assamese
not one of
traditional
our- this
clothes.
is
It's called the
traditional cloth.
Gamusa.
Gamusa.
Yeah, I was
Gamusa
planning to give you actually this one. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But didn't time to get to shop. No, go to shop.
Okay.
But I will give you if you are here. For a few days.
Let's see.
This one is called gamusa. This and
Gamusa.
mostly the colors are usually
Huh.
red and white only.
Red and white. It's the cultural one, right?
Red are usually on the boundary, but
Usually you can
It's very small.
find it in green color also.
So
Any color you want.
we sit here and then we do this, right?
এইটো আপোনাৰ এইটো কি বুলি কয় এইটো এই মানে গোটেই
Handloom.
ইনস্ট্ৰুমেন্ট কি বুলি কয় এইটো
And then this is traditional Assamese.
Tathal.
তাঁতশাল
It's a handloom.
Handloom,
is-
yeah, yeah.
Handloom is
Handloom.
also Tathal. Yes.
এইটো বাইদেউ কয় নেকি এইটো দিদি কৈছি হে
Okay, okay. Like this, right? I know.
and it's called gamusa.
Gamusa. Assamese gamusa.
Assamese Gamusa.
Assamese gamusa. Okay. Yeah.
You go, you want?
Yeah. Let's go up and let's see the view from the terrace. Right. It's a very huge house.
Very huge. Not very
Like,
huge.
are you planning to set up a hotel or something like that?
No,
Because it's very huge.
not so huge.
It's huge.
It's not so huge. It's just 16 rooms.
16.
But we are 3 members.
Yeah, that is why I'm saying it's huge for 3 members.
For 3 members.
Okay, the view. Okay, is this your pond?
Yes.
Okay. You catch fish from here?
Yeah.
Okay, fresh fish. All right, the view is also awesome from here. Just see, look at that house we were talking about. They use this to guard the village and the fields, the farm. Okay. All right.
लेकिन वो अभी बात करने का नहीं जा रहा था, मतलब कोई और है क्या, मतलब जो बात कर सकते हैं, मतलब जो ब्लैक मैजिक के बारे में?
ब्लैक मैजिक के बारे में।
ब्लैक मैजिक के बारे में
क्योंकि हम लोग थोड़ा मतलब क्यूरियस है इसको लेके। सो
वो क्या उनको मिला?
हाँ हाँ मिला तो है, लेकिन वो बोला कि वो अभी थोड़ा बिजी है, बाद में बात करेगा बोल के।
The investigation about the black magic goes on, and we're gonna keep investigating about it. Let's see. After a while, we are going to have some chai over here, and this friendly uncle, he invited us to have the chai, cup of tea. Let's have it.
Drawing, painting.
Painting and all, yeah. He will be a good son.
He's learning Japanese and Arabic.
Japanese and Arabic where?
Huh?
Japanese and Arabic where? School.
I'm-
You are teaching him. You know Japanese as well.
Not
Not
fluent.
not fluent, but you know. Like how do you know?
Huh?
You went to Japan or
हाँ?
जापान गए थे क्या आप?
नहीं
तो कैसे बताया, कैसे पता कि कैसे सीखा?
और पढ़ के मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं पढ़ता हूँ, अरबी भी पढ़ता हूँ।
अरबी भी पढ़ता है, सही है। So,
he's red belt in taekwondo.
huh?
Red belt in taekwondo.
Red belt in taekwondo as well.
You show you on Pomsu. 6 F4. Sandal to Kulifa.
He's gonna
Red belt in
red belt taekwondo.
taekwondo.
देखा
Let's see, let's see.
लास्ट में देखा
Star Rebellion দুটা মেডেল পাইছে।
Line up. Serious. Go. Ure. Jugi. Sija.
4 6 5 4
5.
5
He's strong. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. You are very strong. I can see, you know, the way you punch and all, it's very strong.
Silver medalist.
2 silver
Two
medals.
silver medalists. Keep it up, okay? Okay.
2 months before just lost gold medal for 2 points.
Oh my god. Next time. Okay, next time goal.
Still 2 silver medal in
2
seven.
silver medal. Okay. Good, good. Keep going up. Education and sport at the same time, okay? Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, here is the
साल के एग्जाम खत्म हुआ।
एग्जाम खत्म हुआ। सही है। पढ़ना भी है, खेलना भी है, दोनों, ठीक है?
आज से प्रैक्टिस जाएगा।
आज प्रैक्टिस जाएगा। आज से ताइक्वांडो का प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है?
आज से सब प्रैक्टिस चलेगा, गिटार भी है, सब कुछ।
ठीक है।
हमें गिटारिस्ट।
सही है। I want to see you on television in sports, okay? पढ़ना भी है, ठीक है? पढ़ना भी है. Education is also
I want
important.
to see you in television.
Yes.
Anyhow. You
All right.
must
Practice, consistency is very important.
हाँ
Okay?
वो अभी चेस भी खेल रहा है। चेस
or
गेम।
chess.
Chess भी खेल रहा है. Yeah. All rounder.
Doing everything.
Okay, good. Here's the tea. How is the tea? What?
tea?
How is the tea? Yeah.
हाँ,
टी बहुत
वो
बढ़िया है।
अदरक
बहुत बढ़िया।
वाला टी बना
टी
दिया।
तो बहुत बढ़िया है।
अदरक वाला सही है. I like this kind of teas. I mean, घर में भी ऐसा ही पीता है without any milk.
তাতো ভাল লাগিছে, মই বহুত ভাল পাইছো।
And Assam tea, right? Assam tea leaves. Yeah. Tea leaves is strong,
Assam is famous for
fresh.
tea.
We've got some biscuits as well.
अभी बोला मैं अभी काम करेंगे वो
होता
गिटार
है?
भी बजाते हैं, तबला, गिटार, डांस,
हाँ।
ऑल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाते हैं, म्यूजिक।
क्योंकि पोस्टिंग में तो काम रहता है, अगर घर जाके बोरिंग हुआ होगा इसलिए सही है, हाँ, कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए, है ना। सो ही प्लेज गिटार एज वेल, तबला भी है। ओके, एवरीथिंग ऑल राउंडर।
In our post, I see all musicians from Northeast only.
या नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडियन, यू नो।
Only from Northeast.
यस यस, वी लव म्यूजिक।
Everyone knows about Northeast. They are born for music only.
या
So
कल्चरल
many men,
म्यूजिक, डांस,
I've organized so many programs. All are from Northeast.
नॉर्थ ईस्ट। यस,
या तो Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur.
हाँ, वी आर मोर इनटू कल्चरल डांस, म्यूजिक, या एंड स्पोर्ट्स,
And sports also.
या
Especially in football.
या स्पेशली इन फुटबॉल, नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया फुटबॉल। चाय बहुत अच्छा है दीदी।
Now only cricketer Ryan Parag.
क्रिकेटर
Cricketer in
Ah,
cricket Ryan
ah.
Parag.
रियन
Parag.
पोराक
From Guwahati.
फ्रॉम गुवाहाटी।
In Indian team.
ही इज प्लेइंग इन इंडिया टीम।
Indian team.
ओके, रियन पोराक,
Ryan Parag.
पोराक, ओके।
You visit Assam first time?
आसाम दिस इज़ द थर्ड टाइम, बट पहले आया था वो मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आया, तो घूमने के लिए और एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता, तो इसलिए मैं चार महीने, है ना, 4 months।
सितंबर को आया था ना।
सितंबर आया था, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर,
हाँ,
4 महीने के बाद मैं वापस आया। इस टाइम तो पूरा आसाम घूमेंगे।
तो
चलो,
और भी घूमेगा अभी, और भी घूमने के लिए है ना।
हाँ, और भी घूमने के लिए आया।
Kita kau se, ase kau,
হা
ase kau dia.
মই
Oh,
থাকে ক'ত? সি একচুৱেলি হেৰি এতিয়া জুৰোডত আছে মানে,
Hah?
জুৰোডত এটা হোষ্টেল এটা লৈছে মানে,
Asal tu.
হোষ্টেলত ভাড়া মানে থাকে মানে, এতিয়া মানে
Jurut.
জুৰোডত থাকে।
ओके दादा,
Okay.
आपसे मिलके बहुत खुश।
What's your name? Again?
होंगम्बा,
Hanggong ba?
या होंगम्बा। बाय बाय दीदी, बाय बाय। खेलना भी है, पढ़ना भी है, ठीक है। Alright, we are leaving this friendly house and we're gonna,
চাবি তোমাৰ পাছত।
Sabi, yeah, I have the key, and we're gonna investigate about the black magic. Yeah, let's go to the museum and let's see. Above that tree there are vulture, है ना, vulture?
No, not vulture.
এই তো বটকুলা
Frog, big frog. A type of frog, big type. Only in Botukula in here.
Bartukla,
Huh? Botukula.
Botukla in
Botukla.
Assamese.
In Assamese.
In Assamese. So right above that tree there
Not
is,
vulture.
okay, nest for Botukla.
Yeah.
Botukla bird
Yeah.
over there. I am not sure what it is called in English. We will see later onwards. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Yeah, they are so friendly, man. I did not expect that. Yeah, let's go to the museum. I forgot my phone here. Thank you. I was overwhelmed with the welcome, the friendliness, and I forgot the phone. But yeah, I got it.